the ideal case, I think I will have to edit the the recordings. But given our very limited time, and also WebEx took some time to render the recordings. So I think it's efficient to send you all the raw files, and you can skip the parts that are not very relevant, especially during the breaks. So the thing is, if I use the software to edit those parts out, my computer would take several hours to put them together, because like I told you already, I came here and I did not bring with me my desktop, and I have with me a very thin and almost useless computer. So we have to live with it. So let's say when you have a computer that includes all functions into it, it could be a tablet, it could be a desktop, it could be everything. So when it is everything, it is nothing. You cannot use it for any serious purpose. Yeah, but I have learned how to live with it so far, and I hope that the fact that the computer is not very strong does not compromise the quality of the lecture. Okay, so let us continue with our discussion on yesterday, right? Yesterday was a beautiful day. I saw on your face all the expressions of understandings and interest. So I feel happy about that. But yesterday was the toughest session of the day. And today it will be easy, and the day after tomorrow it will be even easier. That's something to just to let you know. Don't lose your heart. Don't lose your heart. Okay. So any question with respect to problem set number 2? Minh Đức asked a question. Minh Đức question was, if you have, beta 1 is equal to beta 2, that hypothesis involves two. Have I shared my screen? Not yet, sorry. I'm sharing. Okay, good. Now, so in Minh Đức question, if you have a hypothesis of the format beta 2 is equal to beta 3, then this hypothesis involves two parameters, and then it should be counted as 2. This is actually not. If beta 2 is equal to beta 3 and it is equal to 0, then yes, it is 2 hypotheses. The first one is beta 2 is equal to beta 3, and the second one is beta 3 is 0. Or if it even in the case it is equal to any number a, then it could be written as a system of two restrictions. That's two restrictions. But when we only have one equation, this is one restriction. Now, in terms of RB, R beta equal to Q, how can I write this one? How can I write this one? That would be nice. If I can write it in one row of R, then it is one restriction, right? One restriction. Now I'm willing to give 4 pluses to anyone who could come up with an answer. Could you guys be quick? No, I would give 4 pluses to anyone who come up with the answer. You can turn on your mic and speak directly to the class. Nguyễn Ngọc Phương. Hello Ngọc Phương, can you come up with an idea?
Oh no, I have no idea.
You have no idea, come on. How can... Now, yesterday we were writing, if we want to test beta 1 is 0, then we have the first row as 1, 0, 0, 0 times beta 1, beta 2, beta k, and this one is equal to 0, 0, 0. So when you multiply you make the matrix multiplication, what you get would be, you take the row here, the first row, times the first column. It would be beta 1 plus 0 times beta 2 plus ... plus 0 times beta k, and this is equal to 0. And essentially, it is beta 1 is 0. Right? This is the idea. So, 1 restriction, 1 row. 2 restriction, 2 rows. And so on. So how can I write this one in the RB? No, Ngọc Thảo.
I have an idea, but I'm not sure it's true.
Okay, if
so
it's not true, you are given 0. Don't worry.
Okay, so so the second row of the matrix, you write 0, 1, minus 1.
0. That's it.
And 0. Yeah.
Yes, sir. So when you take a second row, I'm sorry. When you take the second row, you times the first column. It will be 0 times beta 1 plus 1 times beta 2 minus 1 times beta 3 plus 0 times plus ... plus 0 times beta k. And this one is supposed to be 0. And if you remove the 0 terms, then it would be beta 2 minus beta 3 is 0. And this is nothing more than beta 2 is equal to beta 3. Ngọc Thảo is making a number 4 signal. So what does it mean? Okay, but anyway, I will keep my promise. So right, so okay. So class, hello class. Do you agree with Ngọc Thảo? Do you, any of you have a different idea? So let's say now I want to invite some others to ask for some different questions. So can anyone help me to write a hypothesis that beta 1. Let's say we have beta 3 plus beta 4 is 1. How can we write that? This one should not be a big question anymore. Now, Nguyễn Ngọc Phương, can you please go on with this hypothesis? How can I write that? It should be
Oh no.
oh no. What's up? Now keep working, Ngọc Phương. Don't give up. Giving up does not exist in our spirit, right? In Visual Student spirit. Ngọc Phương, is there any beta 1? In this equation, do you have beta 1? Hello, Phương.
Yeah, I'm here.
Do we have beta 1 here?
No.
No, then it should be 0. Do we have beta 2, Phương?
No.
It will be 0.
0.
Do we have beta 3?
Yes.
It should be 1. Now I want to make it a little bit more complicated. This is 4. How many beta 4 do we have?
4.
4, so it should be 4. How many beta 5 do we have?
0.
0. And then it should go on for 0 until beta k, right? Because my computer is refusing to respond. Can you still hear me?
Yeah, I'm still hear you.
Okay. So do you get the idea? It stopped working. Ladies and gentlemen, I might have to restart my computer because it just simply got stuck now. Hello?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah, okay, then I will have to restart my computer because I can no longer have control of it anymore.